The summer season is officially here, so in today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through my top 7 picks when it comes to my personal favorites for summer 2024 men's fashion trends. This video is sponsored by Abercrombie. More about them later in the video. What is up, you guys? Stevie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is summertime, fam. The sun is out. The summer outfits are here. And in today's video, I want to walk you guys through my personal top 7 favorites when it comes to men's fashion trends. These 7 things right here, I'm going to be implementing into my personal style, into my outfits for the summertime. And these 7 things right here, I truly have been enjoying. And I think you guys are also going to really like as well. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Stevie. I create men's fashion content just like this with the occasional vlogs. So if you like a little bit of everything, outfits, style tip, family vlogs, city vlogs, shopping vlogs, all the things we have on this channel right here. So if you aren't already, definitely be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and for fun, let me know in the comments down below if you guys are an OG, like if you are from years and years and years ago, or if you're a new subscriber and you're just stumbling upon this video, let me know down below. As always, it gets chatty here, so do what you have to do, grab a snack, grab a drink, and just kind of relax me for a bit, and let's dive into my favorite summer 2024 men's fashion trends. Kicking things off with trend number 1, this is my personal favorite. Let's talk about oversized and structured silhouettes. This trend right here is, again, my personal favorite. This is literally me in a summer 2024 men's fashion trend. And the thing that I really want to focus on is the combination of oversized and structured silhouettes. So those two things, you know, I feel like a lot of times when you think of oversized, you think of just garments that you're drowning in, things that are just, again, oversized, things that are super big. But I think when you combine it with more of a structured element and more of a structured fit, I think those two things can coexist and they definitely look amazing. You guys are seeing it from the reference photos right now. This brand right here is definitely doing it right, and this style, this sort of fit, these sort of silhouettes right here are just all the vibes, in my personal opinion, for the summer 2024 season. I can see a lot of brands kind of moving towards creating garments that fit exactly like this. I'm thinking oversized yet structured shorts, oversized yet structured button-up shirts, short sleeve shirts, all the things. Again, the combination of an oversized fitting garment that has a bit more structure to it, I think it just screams all the summer vibes, and I think it's just gonna look so nice. And so this trend right here, I've definitely been enjoying, and if I haven't said it already, I think I did, but it is definitely my personal favorite. It, of course, would not be a summer 2024 men's fashion trends video without a mention of a knit/crochet everything. You guys already know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about knit/crochet shirts, shorts. They even started doing it in like lightweight jackets. This sort of visual aesthetic and just sort of offering when it comes to a fabric and a sort of pattern and material is, of course, bringing all these summer looks and all the summer feels. It not only looks nice, but it also is just very practical for the warmer weather, because naturally there is, for lack of better words, holes in your garments, and so the air is passing through, the air is flowing, and so it allows you to come through with a nice casual flex for a summer outfit, but it still allows for that practicality again for the warmer season. I'm not gonna lie, this trend right here and this sort of style kind of came on the scene a couple years ago, and it wasn't my personal favorite. If you guys are regulars and if you're OGs, you would have heard me mention that this was definitely something that I wasn't a fan of when it first came around, like I said, but I think as time has gone on and as the summers have gone on, it always rolls back around. And I think as time has gone on, brands were able to sort of kind of refine their offerings, make things that are a little bit more modern, that still play into that knit crochet material. And I feel like it looks so much better now. The offerings are there. The offerings look just so much cleaner now. It was definitely doing a lot. It was giving very much Coachella, boho vibes, and that's just not my personal style. And now moving into the sponsor portion of today's video. With the summertime being here, I wanted to share with you guys some new bits I got from Abercrombie. Thank you to Abercrombie for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. If any of you guys are like me, I love pieces that are quality, all the while not having to break the bank in terms of those things being so expensive. That's why I love Abercrombie. As you guys can see, every single clothing piece that I am wearing in terms of all of these outfits are from Abercrombie. The fit, the quality, and just the overall offerings ranging from different sizes, colors, shapes, silhouettes, etc. They definitely have done a fantastic job of creating quality garments for the fashion enthusiasts like myself. Especially when it comes to the summer pieces, I want everything to just feel super effortless, lightweight, and simple, but I still want to come through with that casual flex. And Abercrombie offers pieces to help me do just that. As I mentioned before, crochet shirts are in, and Abercrombie has those in their summer outfitting lineup. More casual bits like sweat shorts and hoodies for the chillier summer days and nights, all the way up to incredible linen pieces like dressier pants, tops, and lightweight layering pieces. If you guys are regulars to my channel, you would know I've been wearing Abercrombie for years on years now, and there is definitely a reason for that. They always have anything and everything that I'm looking for, and I know I can rely on them to come through with modern and clean and most importantly, well-made garments. If you guys are interested, I will have every single piece that you guys are seeing linked down below in the description box. I would highly recommend, out of everything you're seeing, the crochet shirts and the denim shorts. Those two pieces right there and those styles were definitely my personal favorites, especially when we're talking about summer men's fashion trends for summer 2024. Check out Abercrombie as they have the perfect pieces for all of your summer activities and events. Let's talk about unique shorts slash denim shorts for the summer season. I would be remiss if I didn't mention shorts for the summer season, because obviously when you think about a bottom option when it comes to shorts for the summer season, of course you're going to be thinking about just a classic chino short, a classic regular just basic cotton short. I think this trend right here, specifically the type of shorts that I'm talking about, are things that are a little bit more unique. Think a oversized and structured short, think a denim oversized and structured short, think something that maybe has over exaggerated pockets like a cargo short, just something and anything that's a little bit more unique than just a classic chino short. There's nothing wrong with having the classics, and I definitely think it is an essential to have them. However, I think for the summertime, it's all about sort of implementing those little touches of something that's a bit more special to kind of add that nice little casual flex into your outfits. So the examples that you guys are seeing on the screen right now is perfect. It is exactly sort of what I'm talking about. Just things that are a little bit different. Even if it's just a couple pleats in the front and the short fits a little bit more wide, having the classics are important, but also having fun with fashion is just as important. And that's exactly what men's fashion should be. It should be fun. It should be lighthearted. And so if you're in the mood to sort of switch things up when it comes to your shorts, the type of shorts that you guys just saw on the screen right now is definitely a banger. This next one right here is a personal favorite of mine for the summer season. To be fair, all of these are my personal favorites, but I think there's a few in here that are like my favorite. Let's talk about the combination of shorts and socks and loafers. This look right here, if you were to tell me that this was going to be a trend a couple years ago, I literally would have punched you in the face. That's kind of violent. But anyways, going back into the trend, this is a trend that I never really saw myself implementing into my personal style until I actually stepped in front of the mirror and I tried it on. This sort of look of a more unique fitting shorts paired with a nice chunky socks and then more of a classic leather loafer. There's just something about it. I can't really put my finger on it, and I think it's one of those things like if you know, you know, and if you don't, definitely do your research. This look right here is just giving me all the summer vibes. It's a little bit more, I would say, elevated than just wearing shorts with socks and sneakers. Kind of has that nice smart little touch to your outfit. So if you guys are a little bit more of a classic man, you guys kind of like a little bit more of that quiet luxury aesthetic, I think this sort of trend is definitely going to be a really nice solid option for you when it comes to pairing shorts with a footwear option. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys are a fan of this trend, or if you're like, this is so ugly, I have no idea what you're talking about. I love hearing from you guys, so let me know in the comments down below what you think. Couple more men's fashion trends for the summer 2024 season. Let's talk about unique glasses. So when I talk about unique glasses, and when I say that, I'm talking about just any sort of sunglass silhouette that's a little bit different than just a traditional option. Something that maybe has a colored lens, a mirrored lens, maybe even a chrome body. Something that is just different, you know, something that offers that casual flex, something that maybe not a lot of other people have. You can opt for something that has a little bit more of a unique colored lens and then the body is just black, or you can even go for like an all chrome look. You can opt to try something that's a bit more vintage and check out your local thrift stores. Basically, if you're the type of person that, you know, you want to keep your summer outfit simple, but you still want to play into the summer 2024 men's fashion trends, or you just want to elevate your outfit just a little bit, I think having that really nice pop of something that's unique regarding your sunglasses, it'll definitely take your out from here to here with just that little effort, and it'll definitely, in my personal opinion, go a really long way. You can find unique sunglasses pretty much anywhere. I personally have my personal favorite brand, and I have a discount code for them as well, so I'll leave that linked in the description box down below for you guys. But I think if you are wanting to try out this trend, I think the easiest way would be just keep the outfit fairly simple and then opt for something that has a colored lens. I think that's sort of the best introduction to this trend, and then you can kind of get a little bit more bolder and bolder and bolder within this trend right here as time goes on. This one right here I mentioned last year and I got a lot of shit for it, and then as this summer rolled around and the brand started coming out with things and pieces started rolling out, I was right about this trend that I mentioned last year. So everyone who gave me shit for it last year, fuck off. Let's talk about touches of denim and leather throughout your outfits for the summer season. So when I say touches of leather and touches of denim throughout your outfit, I truly just mean little sprinkles here and there, little touches. I'm not saying to commit to a full denim look for the summer season that is going to be just super impractical. Or also, I'm not saying a full leather look for the summer season. I don't want you guys dying and sweating out here, you know what I mean? Adding little things that have that denim material or that leather material into your overall outfit. So for example, a denim bag, a leather pair of loafers, a leather hat. Maybe if you're going somewhere that's a little bit chillier at night, a really nice oversized yet structured denim jacket over your already existing summer outfit. That's what I'm talking about. When you think of the summertime, you don't necessarily think of heavier materials such as denim and leather, but I think it's the juxtaposition and it's the combination of those things paired with an outfit that reads 100% summer, and then you add those more like contrasting elements like the touches of leather and denim. I don't know if it's just me personally, but I think there's something to be said visually about that. It just looks so good in my opinion. Obviously, if you are going for the touches of leather, I think the easiest way is maybe a bag or a pair of loafers. And then when it comes to the touches of denim, I think getting lucky with a really nice oversized yet structured denim jacket for the colder nights in the summertime, or if you could find a really sick like denim sort of accessory like a bag, I think that would be really great as well. This next one right here, I personally don't have that much reference photos, and it's not really a trend that I feel like is solidified just yet. So this one right here is more of a trend prediction. However, going back to the touches of leather and denim that I predicted last year for this year, and I was right. I think I'm going to be right about the colors of the summertime. Let's talk about that really nice light butter yellow as well as light blue. So the butter yellow, literally just think of a stick of butter. That is the sort of color that I'm talking about. I see this color being so big for the summer season. Just wait. As the summer goes on, I bet you brands are going to start coming out with shirts, even like linen pants, hats, accessories in this really nice, very distinctive shade of yellow. It's not like a Pikachu yellow, like a Pokemon yellow, but it's also not like a yellow orange. It's a true soft light. It's a very approachable yellow, and I think it's going to be really nice. So definitely be on the lookout for that. I don't know, I just feel it like that's going to be the color of the summer. And then to kind of piggyback off of that, a color that is pretty synonymous with the summer season but always works every single summer is light blue. You can obviously implement this in a really nice oversized yet structured button up. Obviously light blue denim for the pants, or even like light blue accessories like a bag of some sort could be really sick. Or going back to the unique sunglasses trend, if you could find like a black sort of pair of sunglasses and then the frames and the lenses are an actual like light blue shade or even like a butter yellow shade, I feel like that would be sick. So I'm calling it right now. Again, this is not a solidified trend just yet. It's more of a trend prediction on my end. Butter yellow and light blue is definitely going to be the colors for the summer 2024 season. All right, you guys, and that is it for my favorite men's fashion trends for the summer season. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and let me know in the comments down below which trend was your personal favorite. Let me know if you guys took anything away from this video. I love interacting with you guys and hearing from you guys in the comments down below, so definitely be sure to drop me some love down there. Thank you once again to Abercrombie for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. You guys saw the outfits, you guys saw the pieces. It is truly 10 out of 10. I have been wearing Abercrombie years on years on years now, and recently their pieces have definitely been hitting. And if any of you guys are looking for quality summer pieces, they definitely have you covered, from shorts, pants, linen pieces, more heavyweight stuff for the colder nights in summer, and then obviously the traditional knit crochet shirts that you guys saw in the ad portion of this video. Truly 10 out of 10. Can't recommend enough. Thank you again to Abercrombie for all of those pieces and for supporting my channel. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your summer, and hopefully you're having an amazing one so far. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.